If, like me, you're always looking for new, engaging, and simple team building activities to add to your repertoire, you're going to love what I'm about to share. This activity was recently uploaded to Playmeo's online activity database, and it's quickly become my latest all-time favorite that features in all of my team building programs because groups absolutely love it. It's called Verbal Number Exchange. Here's how it works. Everyone stands in a circle and numbers off, 1, 2, 3, 4, around the circle. Then everyone mingles and verbally exchanges their number with 5 different people. So if I'm number 5 and I meet number 12, we swap. I become 12, they become 5. After 5 exchanges like that, the challenge is to reform the circle in numerical order based on the last number each person was given. That's it. But here's what I've discovered. It is rare for a group to get this right in 2, 3, or even 4 rounds of trying. I promise you, it will trigger shrieks of laughter because groups cannot believe this task is harder than it looks. And here's why. It requires focus, memory, verbal communication, and problem solving under pressure. I love it because as a lazy facilitator, it's fast-paced, energizing, and builds serious team cohesion. Plus, no props are required. And your groups will want to play it over and over again too. That's how you know it's a winner. Want the full step-by-step instructions for free? The link's in the description below. And do us a favor, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lazy facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have fun out there.